You asked how to make a Reuben and found this hack and how-to recipe of making a lobster Reuben. Watch this quick video to see how easy it is and unlock the secrets to an amazing seafood Reuben.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
I invited our friend Donnell to give it a try.
That's not right.
I gotta tell you, this Reuben is better than I ever imagined it would be. Dine with Devin. I'm that cooking guy, taking you on a culinary journey to make the recipes you love. Clean the lobster tails and separate the delicious meat into small chunks. Can't find any lobster tails near you? Find the link below to order them online. Set aside and start a marinade juice from 4 lemons. Alternately, you could use some lemon juice, but I recommend fresh. 2 tablespoons of salt, 6 bay leaf, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 cup of whole olive oil. Then the lobster. Work the lobster into the marinade and set it aside. Use 2 slices of marble rye and spread some Tillamook butter coast to coast. To cook the lobster, steam it in a bath of Chardonnay and butter. Melt the butter, put a steamer in the basket in the pot, followed by the lobster and a lid. Heat on a very low simmer. Back to the sandwich. Gently press the butter bread into the pan that is warm and add Tillamook Swiss and spread the Thousand Island, or use the homemade burger sauce recipe you can find on this page. I do like the sauerkraut hot, so add it to the pan. Did you also see the homemade sauerkraut recipe on the Dine with Devin page? Once you see how easy it is, you won't buy a jar of kraut again. Build it with a hot lobster on top of the Swiss and sauce. Then the sauerkraut, and top with the other marble rye. Now for the moment of truth. Follow the links below to show your support to help me make more of these videos. I love coffee. I'm going to take a bite here. As I bite into the crisp grilled marble rye, I'm hit with it all at once, with the sour from the kraut and gooey melted Swiss and tang of the sauce. The last flavor that hits me is the steamed lobster. There's a slight citrus flavor from the lemon and fall oil and the lobster meat that completes the experience. I can't stop taking bites. This is delicious. Want to make the sauerkraut or sauce? Pick one of these videos over here now.